There are mentors charging $1,000 in fees की मटर थी. But alhamdulillah, the way I guide and explain to my students, they are profitable in this market. All the students I have mentored in this market are alhamdulillah profitable in this market. All right, what is the reason? The reason is that I keep informing them about the market all the time. I guide them that this is the behavior happening in the market. You have to survive in the market like this. This is one of my students who is saying that, yes, brother, inshallah, 2026 is the year of progress because he just came to me and I have taught him everything, guided him, and only told him the things that are working in the market and with which he can be profitable. There is nothing unnecessary that has been puzzled out by telling. Okay, let's break down today's entry. I had told him that I want this stop loss hunting to happen. And on top of that, I guide you a little that as soon as the New York session opened, I had two zones. One zone inside the market was this order block demand of 30 minutes. Well, I was thinking this would act as an inducement. It would force early buyers to buy here and then take its rejection. The fair value gap below it, I had marked it and I had also shared it with my student that this is a 30-minute fair value gap and I want stop loss hunting to happen here. As soon as stop loss hunting happens, we have to take the entry, so that entry. I will guide you on how I planned it.
As soon as the market
Tapped inside the zone, after tapping inside that zone, now what I am doing is, if I see a structure shift, then the market structure shift is here. If I genuinely look at the pullback, then the pullback is here. If I talked about it for a second, I also told my student that there will be stop loss hunting here as soon as the stop loss hunting happens. After that, we will plan the entry and place our stop loss below the candle, and our next target will be New York's high. However, we couldn't achieve New York's high, but we did catch a move of 120 to 30 pips in the market. After that exit, I will tell you why I exited from the trade. I have already explained about the entry as soon as the market swept this swing point. After that, this candle swept this swing point, then it swept this swing point. Just keep watching why I exited this trade. Every time the market has swept its swing point, it indicates to us that the demand in the market has now ended. If you have taken any buy trade, then exit from it. Okay, so I exited my entry on the sweeping of all these swing points. The reason was only and only this. There is no other reason. And as soon as I exited, the market gave a significant drop. You just need to see that where you are entering, there is a reason for your entry, and you are exiting here. Do not force yourself to hold the market just because you have set your take profit up to a certain point. No. Sometimes observe the market's behavior, and my students, alhamdulillah, are profitable in the market because they watch the market's behavior. They look at the candle. So, because of this, you should also judge all these things. It's not that difficult. You just need to pay attention to them and leave the rest, the reward, to Allah. Inshallah, if you have been watching my videos, you too will become profitable in this market in a very simple way.